Hey, this is the test area of Qualitel. First off, I want to stress out that I'm not wearing any ESD because of this filming. But in our test area, we have 3 departments here that does different type of tests. Testing is mission critical here at Qualitel. A lot of products, we have to ensure that it works completely before we ship the product. So all these products have to be carefully tested, and we have different equipment that does that. So in this area, we're looking at some flying probe tester. Again, it goes through and measure the circuit, each one of the circuit on the board. So here we have a board that goes into a plane. It makes sure that it provides power to you on the seat, but at the same time, we don't want the seat to catch on fire when you plug something in. We want it to not over burn itself. So again, that's why we test some of these products here carefully. And the flying probe is a unique technology that we can program, and each of the board can step through. Let me see if I can start this real quick so you can see it works. But the probe goes around and measure every single component value, and again make sure that the value is correct and that the joint is connected. If it's not connected, then again it won't work, or if it's shorted, then it will catch on fire or it will burn out. So next off, we do a lot of functional testing here at Qualitel. So different than the flying probe, the functional tests ensure that the board actually turns on and actually does what it's supposed to do. And some of the boards here, again, that we do here are for medical products that are in neurosurgery room, or where, again, if that fails, then they have to stop the procedure and the patient could die. So again, the product has to work and it has to be tested. One of the other test equipment that we have is the Ict Test System here. It's very similar to the flying probe in that we have to make a fixture for it. And the board that he's testing here, actually if you're sitting on a plane and you have to put your luggage in between the seat, there's a box that sits there, and that's actually the board that actually goes into that, that box that you see underneath the seat. So here we have one of our test manager here. He can show that we have a board that he puts in. And again, you can see the circuit. We have to build the fixture. A typical fixture takes about 4 to 6 weeks to build. And actually, it's very similar to the flying probe where it steps through each of the program, and it will let us know if it passed or failed. So anyway, that's kind of our test area here at Qualitel.